Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be showing you my squishies. So let's get to the video. First squishy that I got it this Christmas is this big giant strawberry. So this big giant strawberry I just got. And so after this one I'm not going to be talking, I'm just going to be squishing it, so it's so satisfying. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking now. And now we have this panda one, sorry guys. So I actually just got this one too. And which this one is that you basically can get this everywhere, like literally everywhere, I guess. This unicorn one is my limited edition. So the ones that are limited edition, I'm going to stop and show you guys. So there's the limited edition one. Hard. This one is a common. I just wanted to tell you guys that, because you guys may think that this one is just a regular one. Well, it is, but like a common one. Usually people get this kind and stuff. And yeah, so but let's get back onto the things. Also, guys, I don't know what this is. I just got this today. So if you guys know what this is, please comment down below. And before I give you guys the next squishy, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. My unicorn, my unicorn. I got this one today too. Last one. Thank you guys for watching my squishy routine. If you guys would like to see more of mine when I get some more, you have to give me a thumbs up, 1,000 thumbs up, and 6 million subscribers. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.